Whitewater rafting, one of the most captivating as well as physically demanding adventure sport. With many opportunities to do this sport activity in every direction of this country, this is the new favorite sport for the nation. Rivers like Ganga, Zanskar, Brahmaputra and Teesta attract thousands of amateur as well as champion rafters and kayak from all around the world. If this sport has been on your bucket list for long enough now, then let us take you to your next rafting destination. हेलो एडवेंचर सीकर्स, स्वागत है आपका इस चैनल पर। मेरा नाम है कशिश जैन। इस चैनल पे हम लोग ट्रैवल एंड एडवेंचर व्लॉग्स बनाते हैं। अगर आप इस चैनल पे पहली बार आए हैं और ये आपका पहला वीडियो है तो गो चेक आउट अदर 2 एपिसोड्स ऑफ द ऑनगोइंग सीरीज विच वर ऑन ट्रैकिंग एंड स्कूबा डाइविंग। तो आज हम बात करने वाले हैं द न्यू फेवरेट थ्रिलिंग एक्टिविटी ऑफ द नेशन, वाइट वाटर राफ्टिंग के बारे में। देयर आर टॉप 15 डेस्टिनेशन टू डू दिस sport in the nation, and I have packeted them in the 4 headlines for you to make it easy to understand. So the first place where you can do whitewater rafting is Union Territory of Ladakh and Himachal Pradesh. There are 2 rivers in Ladakh, River Indus and River Zanskar, while in Himachal Pradesh there are also 2 rivers, River Spiti and River Beas, which is near Kullu. मैंने क्यों हिमाचल प्रदेश और लद्दाख को एक साथ रखा, क्योंकि River Indus from Ladakh and River Beas, which is near Kullu and Manali, are the prime destination for the introduction of the sport for the beginners, whereas the River Zanskar and River Spiti are one of the most technical rafting stretch in the nation, which can take you up to 6 to 8 days for the expedition while covering 180 kilometers on the stretch. So the दूसरा लोकेशन हमारा है उत्तराखंड, the land of the gods blessed with the rivers. There are mainly 5 rivers in the state, Ganga, Yamuna, Ton, Bhagirathi and Alaknanda, in which you can do a rafting stretch. We already know about the popularity of the river Ganga and Yamuna for the rafting stretch, but here I mainly want to focus on river Bhagirathi and Alaknanda, which is a very technical stretch and is not definitely for the beginners. And both these stretches are very underrated and many rafters do not know about it. It's a paradise for the trained rafters. So the third destination is the eastern part of the country, which consists of Assam, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. There are 4 rivers mainly in that area, which is River Teesta, Kameng, Brahmaputra and Lohit. The eastern parts of the countries are giving the tough competitions to the northern rivers here. A stretch like Brahmaputra can take you up to a week to complete, whereas Kameng, being the most thrilling stretch of the nation, can give you experience of a lifetime. Whereas the river Teesta and Lohit are perfect place for the amateurs to try out the sport. Now there is a misconception that there are mainly rafting rivers in the north side, but I will tell you what, south is being hiding a gem from all of us. There are mainly 3 rivers in the south, River Bahapol in Kurg, whereas River Dandeli and Kundalika in the western Ghats. The easy stretch of River Dandeli and Kundalika are the best place for amateur to try out the sport and have a thrilling experience, while River Barapol in Kurg invites you to have a thrilling experience on grade 7 stretch. It is the most difficult stretch in the nation if you are the first timer for this sport. ये स्पोर्ट जितना बाहर से आसान दिखता है या सिंपल दिखता है, उतना ही फिजिकली चैलेंजिंग और डिफ़िकल्ट स्पोर्ट है। जब भी आप अपनी पहली रिवर या राफ्टिंग स्ट्रेच चूज़ करते हैं तो उसको बहुत वाइजली चूज़ कीजिए। अगर आप एक बिगनर है तो मेरा सजेशन ये होगा, यू ओनली गो टू द स्ट्रेच वेयर यू कैन फाइंड ग्रेड 1, ग्रेड 2, ग्रेड 3 रैपिड्स, so that you can test how much physical strength and capability you have to control the rapid, because believe me, you don't want to be washed away in that hard flowing water. So now if this activity have been on your bucket list for a long time. Now it's a perfect time to hit the road. If you like the video, give this video a thumbs up, press subscribe to the channel and press the bell notification icon so that you can see me every time I pop up on the screen. We upload every week about adventure sport, and the next one is paragliding. If you have any query, comment down below or shoot us an email. The email is in the description, and the link to the last 2 videos of this series are also in the description. Go check them out. I see you adventure seekers on the next one. Peace.